This is the Samsung Watch Active, and today I'm gonna tell you why I think this is the best smartwatch you can buy. For some people, I actually think this is a must buy, even if you weren't considering buying a smartwatch. If you want to find out why, then stick around. Now, this is just a quick video. I will not go in depth with a lot of features, but I will just highlight the reasons why I use this watch. And in the end, I will share the one trick that made my battery life over double. The first reason why I picked this watch was the price. Samsung has run a campaign where you get this watch for free when you buy a high-end phone from them. This has resulted in an overflow of people reselling these, and I managed to get one for $100 new in original packaging. The second reason why I bought this is Tizen OS. In my opinion, the best experience you can get from a smartwatch if you use an Android phone. For me, the killer feature was Spotify offline. This means that I can track my run and listen to music with some wireless earphones without bringing my phone. That's great. However, I do need to say that the Spotify experience is not 100% consistent and seamless. Sometimes you have to restart the app to get it working, and sometimes the music pauses randomly and you have to click play on the watch again. But that's still way better than bringing your phone on a run, in my opinion. The third reason why I picked this is that there is not so many differences between this and the Active 2. The main one is that the Active 1 has a less accurate, but however faster HR sensor, a bit smaller screen, and no speakers built into the watch. The software scrolling bezel is now also available on the Watch Active 1, and for me that was the most important difference. That just makes this way easier to navigate around the operating system. Now for the battery life tip. The battery life on this watch was only enough to get me through a single day of normal use, with 60 to 90 minutes of exercise and a normal amount of notifications. But if I turned off the flick to wake screen and tapped to wake screen, so the only way to turn on the screen was with the buttons, I got a massive 2.5 days of battery life. This happens for two main reasons. Firstly, the watch saves battery on not having sensors and touchscreen turned on all the time. And secondly, the screen doesn't only turn on when you need it to, and not when you casually flick your wrist or accidentally touch the screen. Definitely nice to know. For me, this is the best smartwatch on the market considering the price, and honestly I think that is the best smartwatch for most people on Android. Especially if you have an active lifestyle and you want to track some of your activity. That has been all. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more straight to the point tech content. If you have any questions, I will happily answer them down in the comment section below. See you next time.